I'm just going to repair the inner tube of my bike. Now, I'm imagining that it's out in the field, so I've got to do it as if I've got no water. So I'm going to pump it up as much as I can, just to see exactly where the air is coming out. Now, without any water, it can be quite tricky. So by using either your fingers to feel where the air is coming out, or even your lips, just to feel it, depending on how big the hole is. Now, when you found it, best way to do it is then to rub it down with sandpaper. And then when you've done that, take the patch, open it up, make sure it's all prepared before you put the solution on. Now put it on that's going to be as big as the patch itself. Don't make it too big. In this case, it's quite warm outside, so I don't need to touch it with my fingers. Now push it down to make sure that it's not poking up, and then using chalk or a similar kind of material, then rub over so it's not sticky. And then using the pump it up to a reasonable amount of pressure and just check to make sure that it has stopped all of the air coming out. Maybe also just to leave it for several minutes to see whether it does go down. If you haven't got any water, it's quite tricky to check to make sure there aren't any other holes. Now place the inner tube around the wheel. Here I'm just simply letting down the air that's still inside. Make sure you line up the valve correctly and make sure that the inner tube is inside not only the wheel but also inside the tyre as well, and make sure it's not catching anywhere. I'm pumping it to about 30 psi, and then I'll be leaving it for a little while to make sure that it's still okay. So thank you for watching, and if you did get value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe.